Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be playing some Roblox. And by the way guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's go into Roblox. We are gonna be playing probably some Bee Swarm and Jailbreak probably. Most main things. I mean, we probably might play other things, but mainly it's gonna be Bee Swarm and Jailbreak. So yeah. Oh my god, why is it loading so long? Okay, so we're gonna wait for it to load. But here, let's go play some Bee Swarm. So, I think right now we cannot. I think the sunbear is gone right now. But I mean, so you could, if you played in time before the sunbear was gone, you could get the boots, which is one of the new updates. Sorry, I'm eating a snack. So yeah. Oh my god, so laggy. Okay, let me wait for it to load. Okay. Okay, it's done. I'm not technically a pro, but I'm like an average player. That's what I could say. Look at it, so laggy. Oh my god, how am I not off the map yet? Okay, we're just gonna go stay. Oh my, no, sorry. This is what I mean. Like my phone is so laggy when you play Roblox. Okay, so we're just gonna. Oh my god, my parachute doesn't even work. Ugh, it's impossible to play Bee Swarm in this. Ooh, ooh. Wait. I think we just found a vicious bee. Ooh, something happened there. Wait. Okay, my bees are not that level though. Just zoom out so that I can see where like it's gonna attack me. Okay, so I've got this guy to help me. He looks exactly like me. Okay, I'm not dead yet. But but he has lower health than me. It's so laggy. This is what I mean. Like I can't defeat it or something. Well, I'm gonna die first. This guy is so gonna die. Oh no! How did I not die? I have to zoom out or I cannot like literally see where it's attacking. Okay, so it's still not defeated yet. It's only level 6. But my beasts are like too noob. Ah, it's so hard to control. I'm not used to playing on my phone actually because I play usually. Oh, no. Oh my god, I almost died. I usually play in my laptop, not on my phone. Why are my bees not attacking? Bees attack. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. I'm trying so bad not to. Okay, I died. Okay, so we better hurry. Better. Why do I have bad grammar? Like, I can speak fluent English if I want to, but I don't know why I have such bad grammar. Like, sometimes I would say like the wrong words because of my tongue or something. I don't know. That's what I mean. Like, ting. Like, what does that mean? If I don't die here, then hopefully. Well, oh no! Move out! Are you kidding me? It's so hard for me to move. Are you kidding me? It's not dead yet? Actually, at the same time, I'm listening to music in my MacBook right now, which is my laptop, but I wanna like make videos on my laptop, but I cannot like get the voice in. You know, like my last video, mining simulator, I cannot get the voice in. Like it only records the screen. So yeah. But this, oh my god, how did I not see that? But this app lets me also get the voice in. So I was able to record my Roblox on my phone, but it's really hard to play Roblox on your phone. Actually, today is just gonna be mainly Bee Swarm. Because I don't think we're gonna play Jailbreak. Jailbreak is too laggy. Why do I keep... Okay, it's so hard for me to see. If you guys can see how laggy it is. Oh my god. This is what I mean. Bad grammar, laggy, phone. Oh my god, it's like going together. They should marry each other. Ooh, it's almost dead. It's so hard to defeat though. Even though I don't have any level 8 because I have like a bunch of level 7. Like I'm trying to get my Shy Bee to level 7. No, not 7, 8. Because it's one of my quests from Mother Bear. Because I have to do the vicious thing. But I mean, yeah. I keep saying wrong things. I mean, like I have to finish the quest because I really want. Because I'm like in this quest where you can get the star treat. But yeah, but it's really hard. Okay, see, I got a list. Okay, I got Ninja Bee level 7. 2 stingers and a lot, not much honey, just 200. Not much. So here, I'll show you the quest. The quest is where it is. Yeah, even though I'm not able to go in, there is the glitch thing, and you could try where you have to reset yourself and then quickly come up, and then there's gonna be like the thing that protects you from everything. So yeah, here I finished all these, but I don't still need 3 bees to level 8. So yeah, kind of sad. I mean, seriously, it's sad. Oh, is there more of vicious bee? No, okay. So yeah. Anyways, why am I opening the chat? So yeah, the sun bear is gone right now. If I'm not wrong, yeah, the sun bear is gone. So let's get the club dispenser. Now let's zoom in again. So I have the king beetle amulet. I have the ant amulet. I've got the boots, but it's like the easy ones, you know. And yeah. And then I have the guard, red and blue guard. And then I have the propeller hat, I think. It's so lag. Look, I can't even see anything. Ooh, I almost went out of the map. Oh, great, I'm stuck here. Wait, what's this? What's this? Tell me. Oh, ooh, it's a way to go here. Okay. So yeah, I can go into blue HQ, red HQ. I can go to everywhere. There's nowhere except the top field, the top part, like the 30B level one. You know what? I'm just gonna reset myself because I'm too lazy. Because I don't have that much pollen anyways. So yeah. Oh yeah. I'm also eating again. Where's my bees? Hello, bees? Oh, there. Oh my god, they're all sleeping. Oh, okay, I don't have any exhausted bee. Yeah, so this is the Shy Bee I'm trying to get to level 8. So it's not diamond. Shy. Oh my god, I can't click it. Yeah, here. So it's 60,000 right now. Yeah, let's level it up right now. I've got some moon charms, I think. Yeah. I know you could use it for a moon amulet, but I'm too lazy to collect it because it takes a long time. So I'm just gonna give all this to... Okay, 62,000. Oh, almost. Okay. So close to... I'm just gonna give Blueberry. I don't even care. Just give it to her. I don't even care if she likes it or not. I'm just gonna give it. and 16 strawberries. Okay, 64,000. Now for this, which will give us 590, right? Yeah, I'm correct. What's this? I have right now, I think five gifted bees. Got a basic gifted, I got a looker gifted, Bucko gifted, and Frosty. And then my latest one is the fire gifted, which I got from normal royal jelly. So one of them I got from Star Egg, which I finished Mother Bear's quest. And then I think the rest we got from royal jelly. It's just like random royal jelly. So yeah. I wouldn't say I'm pro because I still don't have like the things from the mountaintop except the parachute. But I'm not a noob because I have some really good stuff. So yeah. Why can't we stand up there? Like I remember before we could stand up there. Can't. Anyways, yeah. I'm too lazy to collect some pollen right now. No, oh yeah, we could get our daily royal jelly. And by the way, if you can go up here, there is a royal jelly there, but I already got it. Yeah. So if you have gifted bees, you can get some royal jelly and haste up here. And what else? What else can we do? Oh, there is a new royal. Oh my god, it's lagging. There is a new royal jelly place, which is up here behind this. There, but I also collected already. I really want a lot of tickets to like buy the cobalt and stuff, but I mean, I use pretty much all my tickets all the time, so there's like a low chance. So by the way, guys, I also have some friends also who have channels of their own, but it's not gaming, except Moni. So there is Moni, my friend, who that also does Roblox, but on her computer. So you can go check her channel. It's Moni Amy, if I'm not wrong. And then there is my friend Natty's channel. She also does gaming, but like not Roblox, other gaming. And she also has like her house tour and stuff. So yeah, you can go check those things out. And then there's also Eugen's channel. She does I think tutorials. I don't know. I don't really watch her channel that often, but I mean you can go check it out. I think it's Jenna and her best friends or something. Just search Jenna. Probably will come up. I'm sorry, but I really can't remember her channel. It's really hard. Oh, a seedling has sprouted. Okay, let's find it. Wait, where is it though? Oh, here. Oh my god, it's stuck. Oh, pineapple field. Okay, it's never sprouted in a pineapple field, has it? Has it ever? Oh my god, what's happening? Okay. Okay, so yeah, where's my bees? Bees, come here. I do not want to defeat. I don't want like to be with the mantis alone because mantis are really scary. Hey bees, take care of the mantis, not the thing kebab guy. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh, never mind. The mantis is dead. Yeah, it's a little laggy though because my phone is... You know what? I give up. I'm too lazy to help this guy. Or should I help this guy? He is pretty quick, so I'm gonna help him. Oh, he's got from the blue hit. He's got the bubble one. I've got the... I don't know what's the name. I don't know, like, in every single thing, like, even in learning, I never know the names, but I know what it is, you know? Oh, I could have got it. Dang. It's gonna take forever, literally forever. Like, literally the longest time possible. But, I mean, at least this guy is helping me. Okay, so we're... oh, I want the pineapple! Give me! Darn! Oh, I also have a music key, by the way. I just got it not long ago, which I'm so happy I did. Wait, are there no other pineapple? Are you kidding me? Wait, how much? Okay, 75,000, not bad. Still... Since I got the boost, it also helps my move speed. Which is a good thing, because when I need to collect these things, like, you have to be quick, or then you can't get it. Oh, this is so hard to control it. This is what I mean by phones. Like when you use your phone, it's really hard to control. And it's also really laggy to me because my phone is laggy. See, this is what I mean. Like, it's impossible. I don't even know how you guys play with phones. Like, everyone plays with computers, right? I mean, who's able to play Roblox in your tablet or phone or whatever? That's not like a computer or laptop. That's my question. How? I am confused. I can't get any haze. Where's all the haze? My haze is gonna run out and it's about to be. Oh, there. I can't get it. Okay, got it. 2,000! Hurry. Oh my god, it's too quick. I can't collect anything. Okay. Oh, what happened? I just glitched out of the map. Okay, I'm just gonna reset. I don't want to die right now. It's so scary. I just glitched out. Yeah, I glitched out. What? No fear. Well, guys, I think this is all. Yeah, this is the glitch. So there's this thing that protects you, and then yeah, you have to be hurry and have haste, and then just go right into. So, anyways, yeah. Well, I think that's all we're gonna do today. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe again. And yeah, see you later, guys. Bye.